Hello everyone, welcome to CET NEET classes. Today we are going to discuss about units and measurements, right? Some of the important questions which are based on units and measurements. Guys, see the question. In this question, if mass is doubled, if the mass is doubled, if the length is doubled, right? So if time is 2 times, what happens to the work done, right? See here, we know the formula for work done, and that work done is equal to force into displacement. See, what do you mean by force? Dimension formula for force is mass into acceleration. This is right, mass into acceleration, and this is displacement represented by, say, d or x or s. So this is equal to mass is m, this is the dimension of mass. So a is acceleration due to gravity, that is meter per second square, and the meter is represented by L and the time is represented by t. So this is meter per second square, and d is distance and distance is length. See, so this is equal to, how much is this? M L square, because L into L is L square, and this is t power minus 2. What is the question given? This is the work done. This is the dimension formula for work done. If mass becomes 2 times, length become 2 times, time become 2 times, what happens to the work done, right? So this is equal to, if mass is 2 times, if length is 2 times L whole square. See this? If time is 2 times, see? Now, how you are going to write this? This is equal to 2 times mass, this is 4 times L square, this is divided by, see, t power minus 2 can be written as 4 t square. See, so this is in numerator. If it comes to denominator, it will become t power plus 2. So 4 gets cancelled. This is equal to 2 times m L square t power, take it to numerator. So this is t power minus 2. This is once again, say this formula for work done, right? And the resultant work done, that is W dash, is equal to what is this? 2 times W. So work done is 2 times, and the option is 4. Got this? See the next question, guys. Here force is equal to A t power minus 1 plus B t square. Here F is force, T is time, A and B are constant. We have to find, see the question, we have to find what is A and B. What is A and B? See, in the first chapter, in the units and measurements, you learned that what do you mean by homogeneity of equation, and that homogeneity of equation means if there is a equation, that is V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. So V is equal to, according to this equation, dimension of V is equal to dimension of U, like this. Dimension of V is equal to dimension of U. What do you mean by this? What is V? V is velocity. This is final velocity. This is initial velocity, right? So final velocity means it is velocity. So velocity is LT minus 1. This is the dimension of velocity. So this is equal to, this is also velocity. So dimension of this is LT minus 1. See here, dimension of V is equal to dimension of U. This is called homogeneity of equation. In the same manner, this V is equal to AT in dimension. How? This V is equal to, dimension of V is equal to dimension of UT, AT. See, dimension of AT, right? So dimension of V is L t power minus 1 meter per second velocity, right? So this is equal to, what is this? A, acceleration. Acceleration is L t power minus 2, and this t is time, and this is t. What is this? This is t power plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. So L t power minus 1 LHS is equal to L t power minus 1 RHS. This is homogeneity of equation. See, dimension of V is equal to U. See, dimension of V is equal to AT. See here. So U dimension is equal to AT. Finally, we can infer that this U dimension is equal to AT. This is homogeneity of equation. Simple. What do you mean by homogeneity of equation? Dimension of V is equal to dimension of U. Dimension of V is equal to dimension of AT. So V is equal to U in dimension, V is equal to AT in dimension. Therefore, U is equal to AT. This is homogeneity of equation. We have to use this homogeneity of equation to solve this problem. See here, how you are going to solve that? You have to calculate, see, you have to calculate what is A. According to homogeneity of equation, this can be written as F is equal to A t power minus 1. So F is equal to B t square. This is according to homogeneity of equation. F is equal to AT minus 1. F is equal to BT square, because dimension of force is equal to dimension of AT minus 1. Dimension of force is equal to dimension of AT2. Right? So here we have to calculate A. In this question we have to calculate A. So A is equal to F divided by T minus 1. So this is equal to, F means force. Force is M L T power minus 2. This is the dimension of force, right? Divided by, this is T power minus 1. Take it to numerator. What happens? T power plus 1. So the dimension will become M L. If it comes to numerator, this will become plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this is dimension of A. Now what is the dimension of B? So in the same manner we are going to solve this. So B is equal to F divided by T square. What do you mean by force? That is, dimension of force is M L T power minus 2. See, M L T power minus 2. Right? Divided by, what is this? This is T square. Divided by T square. Remember, if it is T plus 2, this is also T plus 2. Both will cancel. Here this is T minus 2. Here this is T plus 2. They are not going to cancel each other. Remember, right? So this will become M L T power minus 2. Take it to numerator. This will become T power minus 2. So the dimension formula is M. Dimension formula is, how much is this? M L T minus 4. So this is dimension formula of B, and this is dimension formula of A. Right? Got it? Okay. In the next question, see the question. In this question, we have to find the dimension of G, gravitational constant G dimension, and we have to find out what is moment of inertia. See, what is formula for G? We know that force is equal to G M divided by R square, gravitational constant. G is gravitational constant, mass, radius, and this is force. We have to calculate dimension formula for G. So G is equal to Fr square divided by M. Right? So this is, force is MLT minus 2. force is m L T minus 2 and R is distance. Distance is measured in meters. So this is L square. See, whole divided by m is mass, m is also mass, small m is also mass. So this is m square. See, how much is this now? So G is equal to, take it to numerator, this will become m minus 2. Here we have m plus 1. M minus 2, m plus 1 is m minus 1. Next, L plus L square. How much is this? L cube. Right? This is m minus 1, L cube, T minus 2. This is G, gravitational constant, dimension formula for gravitational constant. Okay. Next one, we have to find out what is dimension formula for moment of inertia. So what is moment of inertia? That is represented by, so moment of inertia is equal to I R square, right? So m, moment of inertia, is equal to I is constant, right? So R square means radius square, length square. So this will become L square, right? So dimension of mass is 0. Dimension of length is 2 times. Dimension of time is 0. So this is dimension of moment of inertia. So the option is 2. So the option is 2. So the option is 2. Okay. Next question. In this question, we have to find out what is dimension of Planck's constant, right? So the formula is energy, that is equal to h nu, where nu is frequency, h is Planck's constant. We have to find the dimension of h, Planck's constant. So h is equal to E divided by nu. Remember, this energy we have to convert in terms of length, time and mass. Even nu also we have to convert into either length or mass or time. So we are going to convert this energy, and this energy is m v square. This is half m v square. Half is dimensionless. This half is dimensionless. So this will not be considered. So divided by nu is frequency, right? We have to express this nu in terms of time. So frequency is 1 by time. So this frequency can be written as 1 divided by time. See, nu is frequency and this nu is 1 by t. Remember, in denominator we are having 1 by t. So how we are going to simplify this? This is equal to m v square divided by 1 into cross multiply it. This will become t by 1. See, so this is equal to m v square t. So what is m? M is mass. Dimension formula for mass is m. Dimension formula for velocity is meter per second square. This is nothing but v is meter per second. So this is meter square per second square, because this is v square. So we are having t here. See, so this is equal to how much is this? This is m and this is L square and this is t per minus 1, right? This is m L square t per minus 1. This is dimension of h. So this will be having, see here, this is mass, this is mass, this is length square, this is time minus 1. So I will convert this. This will become mass. This I can be written as L t minus 1 and the one L we have. So this will become mass, velocity, and this L is distance, that is r. So this is h. This is h. H is equal to m v r. So, and this H is equal to mvr is angular momentum. Mvr is angular momentum, right? In the option C, the answer is angular momentum. Okay. Next question. Next question. Linear momentum is P. P is equal to m into v. Remember, this is linear momentum. Angular momentum means L. L is equal to mvr. This is angular momentum. Okay. See the next question. In this question, we have to find the dimension of mu naught and epsilon naught. This formula is going to study in electromagnetic waves. In second PUC, you are going to study in electromagnetic waves. So, we have to find the dimension of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. This mu naught is permeability and this epsilon naught is permittivity. So, the formula is C is equal to 1 divided by mu naught epsilon naught square root of mu naught epsilon naught, right? We have to find the dimension of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So, what we have to do? We have to square, right? So, C square is equal to, how much is there? 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So, we have to find the dimension of this. In left hand side we have C square. What do you mean by C square? C square is velocity in vacuum, velocity of light in vacuum. So, velocity means, how much is this? L square t power minus 2. So, velocity is Lt minus 1. For that we have square. So, L square t power minus 2 is the dimension. So, this is equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So, the option is 2. See the option. So, the option is 2. Okay. See the next question. In the next question, we have to find the dimension of square root of inductance and capacitance. We have to find the dimension of this. And the formula is F is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into root LC. This is the formula. This formula you are going to study in alternating current. This is the famous formula. Frequency is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into root LC. You have to find the dimension of root LC. See, this is dimensionless. 2 pi is dimensionless. It will not be considered. So, take root LC to here. So, root LC is equal to 1 divided by F. Now, you can convert F into time, frequency into time, right? So, root LC is equal to 1 divided by, what is F? 1 is, means F is 1 by T, right? So, if you solve it, you will get T. So, the dimension of root LC is time. So, the dimension of root LC is time. See, the option is 3. Got this? So, very simple. Guys, see the next question. This is given. So, here we have to calculate what is the possible error in density. Possible percentage error in density we have to calculate, and this is given. Mass, volume is given. So, what is density? Density rho is equal to m divided by volume. So, how are you going to write the percentage error for rho, m and v? So, this is delta rho divided by rho is equal to delta m by m into 100. This is percentage error in mass plus, why plus? Because this is m divided by v. Mass has got error, volume has got error. So, errors are always added. Errors are always added. If this is divide by, if this is m plus v, or this is m into v, all the errors are added together, right? So this is m divided by v. So we are adding the error of mass and error of volume. So what is error of volume? That is delta v divided by v into 100. See here, this is mass and this is m plus or minus delta m. This is error in mass. This is volume. If this is volume and the error in volume is delta v. See this, right? We know m and delta m. We know v and delta v. How we are going to solve this? This is equal to delta m is, see here, 0.05 and divided by m is 5 into 100 plus delta v is, how much is delta v? 0.05 divided by 1, this is v, right, into 100 into 100. How you are going to solve this? See, it is very simple. 0.05 into 100 is 5. So this will become 5 by 5. This is equal to 5 divided by 5. We have plus sign because 100 into 0.05 is 5. We have in denominator, this is 5. So this is plus sign. Again, 0.05 into 100 is 5 divided by 1. How much is this? Remember, this is percentage. This is nothing but percentage. So this is 5%, sorry, this is 1% and this is 5%. How much is this totally? This is 6%. This is 6%, right? So the option is 1. See the option? The option is 1, right? Okay. See the next question. We have a physical quantity, that is A. This is the physical quantity A, and that A physical quantity is equal to A square B cube divided by C into root D. This is the physical quantity. We have to calculate percentage error in the quantity A, right? So we know how to write the percentage error, right? It has got error, B has got error, C has got error and D has got error. How much is the percentage error in A? That is, this is 1% and that is given. See in the question, that is given. So this is 3%, right? This is 2% and this is 2%. This is given. Now, how we are going to write that? The percentage error in A is delta A by A, and that delta A by A is equal to, see, if it is A, delta A by A, the percentage error is delta A by A into 100, right? See, this is A square. This can be written as 2 into delta A by A, simple, into 100, right? Plus, see here, this is B cube. Here we have A square into B cube. Remember, it may be into or plus or divided by. All the errors are added, irrespective of the multiplication or addition or subtraction, or all the errors are added, right? So in this question, 2 into delta A by A into 100 plus 3 into delta B by B into 100 plus, it is divided by. Even though it is divided by, we have to add the error in C. So the percentage error in C is, see here, C power 1. So 1 into delta C by C into 100. This is 1. Plus, see here, this is root D. This can be written as, root D can be written as D power 1, D power 1 by 2. So it can be written as, errors are added. So 1 by 2 into delta D by D into 100. This error is given. Remember, 2 into this error is given. This is 1%. 3 into this error is given, that is into 3%. This error is given 1 into 2%. This error is given plus 1 by 2 into this error is given, that is 2%. So how much is this? This is 2% plus 9% plus 2% plus 1%. How much is this? 14%. Right? In shortcut, how you are going to do this? See, error in A is 1%. So 2 into 1 plus this is 2 into this is, see here, this is 2 into 1. Error in B is 2%, sorry 3%. So 3 into 3% plus straight away in single step, error in A is 1% into 2 plus error in B is 3% into 3. Error in C is 2%, 2 into 1. Error in D is, how much is that? 2% into 1 by 2. Simple, very simple, right? If the equation is, see, if the equation is A, right? If the equation is A root B C cube, right, D to the power 4. If this is the equation, how you are going to calculate percentage error in physical quantity A? That is, error in A is say 1%, error in B is 2%, error in C is 3%, this is 4%. How you are going to calculate this? See here, this is equal to, error is 1 into 1 plus here this is 1 by 2 into 2, because root B can be written as B to the power 1 by 2 plus this is 3 into, how much is the error? 3%, right? This is plus D power 4 into, how much is this percent? 4. How much is this? So 1 plus 2 to cancel, 1 plus 3 3 is a 9 plus 4 4 is a 16. How much is this? 9 1 10. This is 26, 27%. This is how we are going to do this. This is the question which is asked in last year NEET. So last year NEET, this question has been asked in last year NEET. Only thing is the physical quantity is, or the equation is changed, right? Students, we'll go to next question. See the question. In this question, this is the equation E L square by m power 5 g square. We have to solve this question, or we have to solve this equation, or we have to solve this physical quantity. If we solve this physical quantity, we arrive a new physical quantity, and we have to identify which is the new physical quantity, right? See here, E is energy, L is linear momentum or angular momentum, m is mass, g is gravitational constant. We have to substitute the dimensions of all these physical quantities, right? See, this is equal to, E is energy is half mv square, half is dimensionless, multiply by L is angular momentum, and that angular momentum is mvr whole square. See here, L square, L is angular momentum, and angular momentum whole square divided by mass to the power 5 into, this is gravitational constant, and this gravitational constant is, you have found out in the last question, you have found out what is gravitational constant, and that gravitational constant is m power minus 1 L cube T power 2. See here, T power minus 2, this is to the power square. We have to solve this one now. So write the dimension for this also. The dimension of mass is m. See here, right? We'll do like this. This is very simple. Dimension of mass is m. V square is L square T power minus 2. And this mass is m square. This is V square. So L square T power minus 2. So this is R square. So meter square, length square. So divided by m to the power 5. And this is m power minus 2. Right? This is L power 6. This is L power 6. L power 6. T power minus 2. See this. T power minus 4. Right? So now cancel this. M power 1. M power 2. So m power 3. So this m power 3. So this is m power minus 2, m power plus 5. So m power 3. M power 3, m power 3 gets cancelled. So m is cancelled. Right? This is L square. L square. L square. L power 6. In numerator we have L power 6. Cancels with denominator L power 6. So this is T power minus 2, T power minus 2. This is T power minus 4, T power minus 4 cancels. What is left? Nothing. No dimension. So in that option which is having dimension less, mass is having dimension, time is having dimension, length is having dimension, angle is not having dimension. So the dimensionless quantity is angle, and the option is A. And the option is first one. See that? Right? Got it? Okay. Students, in the next question, see here, the equation is y is equal to a sin omega x by v minus k. Here we have to find what is dimensional formula for k. So according to homogeneity of equation, y dimension is equal to x by v dimension. Y dimension is equal to k dimension. So k is equal to x by v. Simple. This is according to homogeneity of equation. So what is x? Distance. What is v? Velocity. So this is equal to, distance is length. The dimension of distance is length, L, right? And this is v. V is velocity. Dimension of velocity is L t power minus 1. So L gets cancelled, right? T power minus 1. Take it to numerator. This will become t power plus 1. So t is nothing but time. This is time. So the option is B. See the option? The option is B. Students, in this session you have learnt how to solve CET NEET questions based on units and measurements. If you join our tuition center or if you join ISHA Academy for CET NEET classes, we are going to teach you how to solve all these questions using some shortcuts and tricks. Hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you.